Let's go through LeetCode number 34. Find the first and last position of element in sorted array. So this question gave us a sorted array, nums and also a target. Find the first and the last position. For example, 5, 7, 7, 8, 8, 10. The first 8 is index 3. The last 8 is index 4. So it return array 3 and 4. And for this one, 6 is not exist in nums array, so it return -1, -1. So we know the nums is already sorted, so we can do this in binary search, because this nums its length is more equal to 10 to the power 5th. So binary search, the time complexity will be O log n time complexity. So let's begin to write a code. Int n equals nums dot length. We'll have int result equals to new int -1, -1. The first step is we're trying to binary search for the first index, which equals target. So we have a start equals 0 and equals n -1. We are going to write while start +1 smaller than int. Int mid equals start plus end start divided by 2. So let's say if nums mid greater than target, that means what we are trying to find, the first one should be on the left part. Mid is too bigger, and so we'll have end equals mid. And I'll have else if nums mid, if it is equal to target, that means we are trying to find the first which equals to target. So the first which should still be in the left. So that means the end we should move to the left range. So we can have this condition to have one condition, right? So we'll have else. I have start equals mid. That means nums mid is smaller than target. We should find on the right part. And we are trying to find the first element which have index equals target. So we are trying to, after we have the list while start is one index before the end, we are trying to say if nums start equals target, then we have a result 0 equals start, and else if nums end equals target, then we'll have result 0 equals end. Okay, so it is possible now start end equals target. So that is then it will be the initial value -1. And we are going to do the second binary search is to find the last element which equals target. So we'll have start equals 0 again, and the end equals -1 again. So now we'll find the last element while start +1 smaller than and just mid equals start plus n -1 minus start divided by 2. Right. So let's say if nums mid, if it is smaller than target, because we are trying to find the last element, with equals target. So that means our we are trying to find on the later part that will have start equals mid. And also, if this one equals target, that means the one because we will find the last index equals target. So that means we also need to find on the right part. And else we have end equals mid, right? That is nums mid is greater than target. That means we should find on the left part. Then we'll have if target nums and equals target. And we'll have, because we are trying to find the largest index, so we compare end first. Because after we have the value start is one the index before end, we'll have result 1 equals end. And we'll have else if nums start equals target. We're going to have result 1 equals end. Then we return result. Start. We should have a corner case, right? So if nums equals num or nums dot length equals 0, return result. Yeah, the time complexity will be O log n.